Hey guys, thanks for tuning in once again. In this episode, I'll be going through my mobile home surveillance system, which is made up of a remote control drone, a docking station for recharge, and a remote control system. I decided to use a 2.4 gigahertz remote control. That way the transmission can be detected through walls, and I control this from anywhere in the house really. The TV camera is a security system, day-night camera, paired with a screen that it came with as well, so I can see where I'm going obviously. The docking target is responsible for recharging this droid. What I do is I sight this manually and I drive the droid onto the docking station, thereby allowing it to charge. This has a voltmeter, this also has a voltmeter, and when the two contacts here touch these contacts there, it'll measure the voltage. If it's below a certain voltage, it'll activate the charger via relay and it'll charge it. That way this can remain charging at any one time I decide to use it, it's fully charged. I decided to use an Arduino to interpret the radio signals, along with some relays to activate the camera. It also comes with a light as well. The droid uses a 12 volt lead acid battery and two main motors. And there you have it, the do-it-yourself mobile home surveillance platform. Some issues did come up. One, it's a little bit too slow and noisy as well. I'd like to be able to vary the speed depending on where I am if I want to get somewhere quickly or not. I'd like to also automate the return to dock. The best way to do it is get as close as possible, then you hit a button and then it'll home onto the charging port by itself. Here's some images of the screen. It's not too bad. I found a little bit of lag in both the video output and the control, only about half a second, but it's still enough to be annoying. Here's an example of me homing into the docking port. All in all, not bad for a first attempt, but I think I'll learn some lessons to implement next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll